Conveniently located in the heart of Salem, you'll find this super cute bungalow. It's situated on a large lot with a fully fenced and landscaped backyard, plus a big garage and abundant outdoor parking space, ready for your boat, RV, or trailer. Heading inside, you'll discover an open and inviting layout with a cozy gas stove and spacious rooms with abundant natural light throughout. The charming kitchen makes it easy to create your favorite cuisine with updated cabinets, plenty of storage, a gas range, and laminate flooring. This home has 2 bedrooms, both with walk-in closets, and energy-efficient vinyl windows. Plus a full bath and a roomy 2-car garage. The private, fenced yard is ready for entertaining, family activities, your 4-legged friends, or your garden. A gated alleyway entrance makes for easy accessibility. Living here, you're just a few short minutes from Starbucks, Fred Meyer, Home Depot, and more. Plus, you'll enjoy easy access to Salem Parkway for a convenient commute. A delightful bungalow in a great location. It's all here ready for you to call home. For more information or to schedule your personal tour, please contact Corey Tennant with Premier Property Group at 503-393-8810.